In this video, we'll take a look at what crypto is, how it works, why it's become so popular, and what the risks and benefits are. We'll start by defining crypto. Crypto is a type of digital currency that exists on a decentralized, distributed ledger, also known as blockchain. Unlike other currencies, crypto is not backed by governments or central banks, and it's not regulated in the same way as traditional currencies. Crypto has become increasingly popular over the past few years due to its potential to offer speed and security. Transactions using crypto are usually much faster than traditional methods. This is because they are done peer-to-peer without the need for a middleman. Transactions are also secure, as they are encrypted and stored on the blockchain. Finally, crypto users can remain anonymous. But there are also risks associated with crypto. Since it is not regulated, there is no protection in the event of fraud or theft. Additionally, the value of crypto can be volatile and unpredictable, so it's important to do your research before investing. To conclude, crypto is a type of digital currency that is not backed by governments or central banks, and it offers speed, security, and anonymity. But it also carries risks, such as the potential for fraud or theft, and its value can be volatile. Thank you for watching.